Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Chevrolet Cruze versus Swift. Let's dive into what makes each vehicle unique. The Cruze typically provides a more robust driving experience with its larger engine options and a more spacious interior, ideal for longer journeys. On the other hand, the Swift shines in urban environments, offering nimble handling and impressive fuel economy. We'll explore these aspects to help you decide which car best fits your lifestyle and needs. When it comes to performance, the Chevrolet Cruze generally offers more powerful engine choices, often around 1.4 liters to 1.8 liters, translating to higher horsepower and torque. This makes it well suited for highway cruising. The Suzuki Swift, however, typically features smaller engines like 1.0 liter or 1.2 liter options, focusing on excellent fuel efficiency and maneuverability in tight city spaces. Each car delivers a distinct driving feel. Inside, the Chevrolet Cruze usually boasts a more generous cabin, providing ample legroom and cargo space, making it comfortable for 5 adults on longer trips. The Suzuki Swift, with its compact dimensions, excels in urban practicality, offering easy parking and nimble navigation through congested streets. Both vehicles prioritize safety, commonly equipped with multiple airbags and anti-lock braking systems to protect occupants. Considering overall value, the Suzuki Swift often presents a more budget-friendly option, both in initial purchase price and long-term running costs due to its superior fuel efficiency. The Chevrolet Cruze, while potentially costing more, often provides a more refined driving experience and a higher level of standard features. Your choice depends on whether you prioritize economy and city agility or power, space, and comfort. Check the description for a link to those meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.